Did you know how a simple piece of fabric becomes a perfectly stitched pair of jeans? Today, we're taking you inside a jeans factory to witness every step of the manufacturing process. From the very first pattern to the final quality inspection, watch the process till the end to see how it's made. Every great pair of jeans begins with a pattern. Skilled workers carefully draw each section of the jeans onto thick cardboard sheets. These templates determine the exact size and shape of every individual piece that will later be cut from the fabric. Accuracy at this stage is essential because even the smallest mistake can affect the final fit. These cardboard templates are later used by an industrial fabric cutting machine. The machine cuts stacks of denim with incredible accuracy, allowing thousands of identical pieces to be produced every day. After the patterns are completed, the design process moves to the computer, where skilled designers use specialized software to create and adjust the embroidery artwork according to the customer's requirements. Once the design is complete, it is converted into a machine-readable file and transferred to a USB drive, ready to be loaded into the embroidery machine. As soon as the file is loaded, the embroidery machine begins its work. Computer-controlled movements ensure that every logo and pattern is identical, producing consistent quality on every single piece. Thousands of tiny stitches are placed with incredible speed and precision, perfectly recreating the digital design onto the fabric. With all the prepared pieces ready, the sewing department comes to life. Dozens of skilled workers operate industrial sewing machines simultaneously, carefully stitching different sections of the jeans. Every operator focuses on a specific task, allowing the production line to work efficiently while maintaining consistent quality throughout the process. The individual sections are now brought together. Using different industrial sewing machines, workers assemble the jeans piece by piece until they take their final shape. Every seam is carefully aligned to ensure strength, durability, and a clean, professional finish. After stitching is complete, loose threads are carefully trimmed by hand. This simple but important step gives every pair of jeans a cleaner appearance and prepares it for the final finishing process. The jeans are then professionally pressed to remove wrinkles and give them their final shape. Heat and steam help smooth the fabric while creating the crisp appearance customers expect from a brand new pair of jeans. Before leaving the factory, every pair undergoes a careful inspection. Workers examine the stitching, embroidery, shape, and overall finish to ensure each product meets the company's quality standards before it's ready for customers.
यार भाई 55 ऐसे ग्रे कलर का पीस था तो ये दो तेरा पीस के डाल दिया सब घड़ा में
वो सारा राशन कार्ड बन जाए साजी साजा ਵਿੱਚ ਕੱਟ ਦੇਣਾ ਜਾਂ ਮੈਂ ਕੀ ਕਰਦਾ ਪੀਸ ਤੇ ਥੱਲੇ ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈਗੇ ਨੇ ਯਾਰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਉੱਤੇ ਲੈਣ ਆ ਗਏ ਕੀ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ
After passing inspection, the completed jeans are organized and stored in the warehouse, ready for distribution to retailers and customers. If you found this process interesting, hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for more factory videos. Thanks for watching.